Yo, what up? I'm happy to get back. I'm happy to get back into this market. Last 2 days been pretty wild, and today, if we're looking over here, where we're gapping down almost a full 10 points lower, trading at 324. So what I kind of want to go over today is using, when the ATR is trading where it's at, and I think it's now at a 4, on the SPY, which means the average range is 4 points in a day. Um, right now, the ATR in the 1 minute, sorry, the 5 minute pre market is 36 cents. So the range is wide. We're going to have good trading. Volatility is going to be heavy. Volumes are already heavy. We closed below the bottom band on Friday. And now that gives the signal today where if let's excuse whatever we're seeing this morning and just go from a standpoint of how this bottom band works. Um, Once that bottom band, like Friday's low, breaks, typically it allows for momentum to come in. And if you see here, we have volume confirmation, and now we're gapping below that band. So we're gonna open up um, below this 325 support. We really don't have any support until right here at 322, but even then, this isn't really that heavy of a support. And then down here at 320. So below 320, we go down here. What is this? I think this was 315. Yeah, 315. So there's a lot of room on the downside, believe it or not. Um, Personally, I'm not going to be buying this market. Maybe if we get above the VWAP and the 180, which I don't see as a case right now at the open, considering where we are and how this works on the daily chart as we're now in a bearish territory because of this crossover. We'll see what kind of follow through we get. This could obviously be an overextended move. It's a large gap, but you do want to be playing, with the trend. You don't want to be fighting the trend, especially if you're a scalper like myself, Colin. We're both scalpers. I find that works best for me. Maybe it doesn't work best for you, but for my strategy in scalping the stock market and scalping volatility, the SPY, you want to be, you don't want to be fighting the trend. You want to be, aligned with the market. So with that being said, we'll go into the pre-market here. And our pre-market lows are at 324.17. Obviously, we broke through this 325 support. It initially held. Would have been a nice play, a nice double bottom. You could have rode it for 75 cents. That was a great move. The buyout here of the breakout was solid. So, um, like I said, the ATR is pretty high. We're gonna have a good trading day. Um, maybe it's best to stay patient at first and wait for a test of the VWAP, wait for a test of resistance, and figure this out. Obviously, if we do open up and reject any sort of the top bands, I saw this Friday where we opened up and rejected the top band on a gap and instantly shot lower. It was a great trade, purely off those mobile bands. As you can see here, in a downtrending market, they've really hold out very well. Like when you get that sell signal, you break that sell signal, the momentum really comes in pretty nice. Obviously, you want to be fighting, you don't want to be fighting the trend again. Like you want to be playing the downside here. You got to follow level 2 today. It's going to be huge, especially at key levels around that VWAP, around that SMA, around these price levels. We'll go over those real quick. On the upside, we have what was that? 325.07. Above that, we have room to 327.33. So there is a lot of room. And 322.04 on the downside, then 320.12. So mark those down on your chart. Get used to them. I think they all could definitely be in play today. We'll see what comes in. Pre-market is weak. We're below the VWAP. We're below our SMA. We're downtrending. Like I said, volume is very heavy. It's going to be a busy trading day. We do have a lot of earnings this week. I don't really care about that right now. As long as the SPY trades like this, there's really no reason to look elsewhere, especially if you're an intraday trader. This is the best way to go. So I wanted to get this video out before the market opens so you guys have a clear idea of, kind of what we're working with and, how to trade it. I'm going to go eat my egg sandwich and get ready for the market. I'm happy to be back. It's comfortable being back in the chair, staring at the charts. Love it, missed it, and I hope we make some money today. Remember, it's not about making money. It's about trading right. And if you're not, if you're necessarily making money but you're not trading right, it's not, a profitable day for you. The goal is to be trading smart, trading to your game plan, and sticking to it. So like I said, we got to look at those levels. We got to look at our key indicators and trade off those. So I'll talk to you guys in chat. If you have any questions, obviously hit me up in the members discussion chat. I'll be pretty active today. I'll probably be around on the charts all day if it's trading like this. Can't complain. You got to stick with the opportunity when it comes and really go after it. So I'll talk to you guys in chat. Enjoy the morning. Let's make some cash.